So, greetings of the day, guys. I am Shivam, a computer science engineering student at Kite Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad, and today I will talk about some topics of cloud computing. So, our first topic is NIST cloud computing. So, first of all, we discuss about what is NIST. So, NIST is stand for National Institute of Standards and Technology. So, it gives us a parameter regarding cloud computing. It tells about how much entities are participating in cloud computing. So first we have cloud carrier. This is the basic thing like which help in providing and transferring resources from one point to another point. So here internet internet work as cloud carrier. So it's a basic thing. Now we talk about our second unit, who is cloud consumer. So the end user who take and use all the services is known as cloud consumer. It consume all the services provided by the cloud provider. So our second entity is cloud provider. So these are the companies who provide different and various services like security, storage, and etc. So cloud provider are the third party companies. They manage the Google Cloud. Now a single entity to who is responsible for communication of those two entities is known as broker. As you know, in Hindi meaning dalal, broker. So same here, it manages the policies. It manages the policies, rules, and rights. These three things are managed by broker, and these things are done by or between for the rules and rights for customer, cloud customer, and cloud provider. Okay, cloud consumer, cloud provider. Now to check whether the provided services are complete or not, we have cloud auditor. The main work of cloud auditor is to check whether the all provided services are as fulfilled as they told or not. Okay, so our next topic is IaaS. What is stand for? Infrastructure as a service. So what here we done? Infrastructure as a service. The cloud computing companies just provide us the infrastructure, the basic hardware and connection networks. The basic things which we required for our work. Here the user by itself manage the whole work as it make the application APIs and web browsers. All thing is done by IaaS except hardware and storage. These things are managed by computer or the third party which providing cloud computing. So here it is cheaper as compared to other because here the customer managing its work by itself. Now we came to another platform. Platform as a service. Here what is the work is the main purpose of work is that here half of the things are managed by the cloud computing companies, cloud providers, and we just have to work on the project. Here the API or app or website, all things are done by cloud provider. The work of cloud consumer is just to use these services and make their programs. So either here all the work, the maximum work is managed by the system, by the cloud providers, and some basic specific unit of work is managed by the user. Now we came to our last structure, a service structure, SaaS. It stands for software as a service. Software as a service. Actually guys, I am a coder and I don't like to use writing, because sometimes I feel that I am not a good person for this work. I don't like to write something like by using pen, so my writing is not so good and my presentation is also not so good, but my coding skills are so good. I will tell you in my different videos. Let's talk about SaaS. Here all work is managed by the cloud provider. The work of cloud consumer is just to use the services without any interruption. Here the flexibility of cloud consumer is not so good, because here he just used to use these services. Cloud user is not allowed it to make any changes in the services, in the API, in the website. So we have cloud, and we can say that Gmails. Here we can send mails to one to another, but we cannot do specific changes with the website or with the mail, with the API. So these are the topics what we cover. Let's revise. We first talk about NIST cloud computing, then we see this structure. There are different entities: cloud carrier, cloud broker, cloud provider, cloud audit, and cloud consumer. Then we talk about IaaS, then we about PaaS, then we talk about SaaS. Thank you everyone. My name is Shivam and I'm leaving this video right here because the timing is just 7:30.